Good afternoon, traders. This is Rich Derrick from tradesight. Just want to take a few moments here to take a look at the scans and what they might be implying for tomorrow. Right now in the Nasdaq patch, it's kind of mixed up. The Nasdaq futures right now are higher on the day by about 11, but we don't really have a preponderance of signals. Definitely have some good movement. Apple's trading up around 450 and a half right now. We had a nice long call in Apple today over 438.25, so that's almost 12 points in the money. So real nice call there. It's a nice movement in Netflix too. Unfortunately, there's not a continuation signal on Apple or Netflix. Netflix is very, very weak today. We shorted it under 167.75, and right now the Netflix is trading about 161. So had a nice, real nice run there in both those names. But again, the buys and sells for now are fairly well paired off. Moving on to the financial sector, definitely biased to the sell side here. There's no buys. There's about 4 sells. Volume's fairly light. Definitely seeing some volume in ICE, so definitely want to make sure you take a look at that again tomorrow. The energy stocks again, kind of like the financials, a little bit biased to the sell side here. 3 signals, not a ton of volume, but definitely some things to keep an eye on. CVX is a camouflage sell signal, and we've got differential sell signals in RIG and Valero, which means that the bounce or the run up could be running out of steam and potentially poised for reversal. The general is definitely the weakest of the groups overall. Definitely seeing some pretty good volume in a couple of names here, and you can see the preponderance of sells here. Onto the housing and transports, no buys, a couple of sells there, so kind of in tune with the more general names leaning to the sell side. The commodity names themselves here are fairly well paired off. No big volumes jumping out on this. A couple of buys here, a differential variety, and a couple of CPS sell signals. Definitely watch AA and Monsanto tomorrow. The CPS sell signals out of our sell signals are generally the stronger ones, unless you get one of these camouflage sell signals that range high or range low. But we could talk about that at a different time if you like. So this has been Rich Derrick from tradesight, and thanks for listening.